Hello everyone, David here at Cle France. Going to go on a little tour of the Shuttle terminal in Folkestone. Hope you enjoy. I'm trying to get used to So what I was going to say is I'm trying to get used to this gadget that's supposed to keep the camera level. But I'm not an expert. Trying not to get too many people on camera. So let's go the long way around. You've got all your eateries here. And even though most people are driving, you can even get a Guinness. That's better, isn't it? Tell you what, we won't go down there because that's where the toilets are. Don't want to be filming near the toilets, do we? Duty free here. Really good bargains. Bottle of Gordon's gin for £9. It's outrageous. Let's have a look down here. I think they're cool, but maybe everybody doesn't. But we've got these models here and there of how it was built, the Channel Tunnel that is. They're quite interesting when you have a look at them. We've got one over here, which is the actual, when you get on the train, the ramps and what have you. Probably too much reflection to be able to work it out. But it's really, I like models of anything anyway, so that's why I find it interesting. Anyway, I think, here, this tells you what your allowances are. And it's not as much on the way to Europe as it is coming back from Europe into the UK. So for example, here, there's only 1 litre of spirits per person, or 2 litres of wine, sparkling wine, sorry. It's not much. And on the way back from France to UK, it's 4 litres of spirits each. I'm going to have to look up why. I don't understand why. There you go. Where else should we go? Should have a look around. There's an AA shop. There's a couple of guys giving out balloon animals to kids here. Quite good. And you got W.H. Smith. But it's not W.H. Smith anymore, is it? Is it like F&S Jones or something now? I thought it changed its name. Weird. AA shop. Try and get I remember what this is called that I'm trying to get used to now. It's called a gimbal. Odd name, but there you go. Okay, let's walk through the duty free. Perfumes everywhere. And then it's quite a price, isn't it? Dom Perignon £175. Saving of £44 though. Got to be a bargain, hasn't it? Right. What else? Okay. That's what I bought today, if you're interested. A 2-pack of Gordons, £18. That's probably... You'd have to pay more than that for a litre of Gordons in a supermarket, wouldn't you? Probably 20 quid or something. It's like better than half price. Well, I never. Okay, so sort of got used to this gimbal. I'll keep practicing. Okay, let's head outside. And as you can see, it's raining. We've had 9 weeks without rain. And it's raining today on the day we go away. How about that? Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe for more exciting videos. I'll see you soon.